A teenager just built an AI app that went from $0 to $2 million monthly revenue just in 8 months. Yes, I'm talking about Cal.ai. No VC funding, nothing, with just 20 members team, and boom, 8 million annual recurring revenue just in 1 year of launching their product. Here is the thing. Most of the entrepreneurs with AI ideas never launch. They get stuck in the technical complexities, development cost, and time to market. I'm Aseem, CEO of CodeBrew Labs, and we have solved these exact problems for over 100 founders. We turn AI concepts into profitable SaaS tools in just 90 days. But we don't only just build AI tools, we run an AI accelerator program where we help entrepreneurs validate their AI idea and launch their MVP in just 30 to 60 days. Also help them market their product and also help them to raise growth capital later. Your AI idea could be the next AI SaaS gold rush which is happening right now. Book your 30-minute free consultation call with me and let's discuss your AI idea and turn it into your next revenue stream.